still got the winters on, which were tires that were pumping short.
$16.059, and Travis DeBoer is good enough to move him out into the lead. See if he can better that here in the final lap. And 16.064, not quite.
Travis DeBoer lead coming from out of town as well. We got another good salvage driver out here, the 49 of Ben Bush. You've heard that name if you've ever been out at our racetrack. Bush family, Chantal. First, the first man starter. She runs the first trucks. And Ben Bush coming out of here.
All right, 16.059, the time to beat for Ben Bush now. And 16.005, that is good enough to move into the lead.
You know, not surprised to see that for Ben. Ben is very competitive concern here, and not surprised to see him with the good.
He gets up 16 seconds.
8:24.
Wow. So your new leader now, Casey Randall of Melbourne, the 07. But it was the first opportunity, Ben Bush in the first car to get sub 16 seconds here.
So it looks like that record actually has been across of the Cascada Western Series, and actually the Cascada Sportsman Series. The record is 31. That's held by Dan Shirley. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think that record might have just been broken.
Talking about that in the air, I'm not sure, if that is the case or not. 16.007 is a very fast time. That now. 15.850, not quite. Very close. 15.824, the time to beat, put up by Ben Bush. Second place. And that brings up Trick Singer, the Saskatoon in the 5.
I'm not sure, Richard, but you know whether the record is broken or not. But from my chart that I have in front of me, it looks like we had a whole record. We're expecting good things from tonight.
Well, time this Scorpion division. June 2012, Nick Jewell ran a 15.302. And I'm not sure which is the official track record. But that was run in the Scorpion division.
So the number 67.
67, Mike Slaney in the 2, Calvert.
Now, Mike, I don't believe has ever raced in this track. This race pretty clear for this. It's great to see somebody coming in from Alberta just to run up here.
And a 16.849 for Mike. Improving on that time of this final lap, 16.688, and that brings up the 53 at David Meyer in Saskatoon. And again, they continue to chase the time put up by Ben Bush, Prince Albert, 15.824. That's a good opening time once we get started here. Now he's got 2 laps, 16.259. gets warmed up here, coming out of corner 4. And how about a 15.786 to move out in front? Getting it that one even faster again. David Meyer on the 15.747 to put out the top time so far. And trying to gun down that time of 15.747. Schneider 93. 15.511. There's a quick time.
So Derek Bond's coming in here from Rogers with this number 36 car. He's put up Mustang, Street Stock. He ran Ram Mustang, and he also ran a newer one. And now he's into the Sportsman Series. And then he gets noted there. He has no idea who gave him this car.
Isn't that crazy?
This car was the dog from David. And I asked him if he knew it. He says he has no idea who gave him this car. And his car was so much something like that, like the guy gets the car donated to see him racing in this Sportsman. Not too many sponsors on this car. There are another half has a lot of sponsors. They put the Street Stock, and this is the only car out
A lot of money.
I don't think they do. I just think it's Daryl. Daryl, maybe it's his book. It could well be.
You know, it's a good looking guy. Very impressive.
So in the number 11 car, it's the Bob Gibson car, but I don't think Bob Gibson's driving it right now. He's standing here in the 55. Do you know who's driving this one?
I think it's an anonymous driver. No, actually, did I say who it was?
Yeah.
I think it was Alex Lashenko. Let's go.
Absolutely, it was Alex Lashenko driving this one. When you see that tail go over the half field on the car, that's what Alex style racing. So Alex kind of stole this car from Bob today. Went to his place, Bob Rest going to be here. Alex went next to Alex first the car, and then he came to the gunner and says, Bob, we're bringing the car out here, but I guess Alex is going to drive.
I guess I spooled my tires.
All right, so Alex Lashenko on the 11. But how about that time put up by Matt Shirley in the Saskatoon? 15.341 top time.